What's up and welcome to Gift Makumbe BA channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make extra money in 2020. 150 plus ways to earn money and cash fast. These posts contain affiliate links. Read and be careful to earn and to start making money in the best ways. It's never been easier to make extra cash of your time on these terms. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, idea you can turn into primary source of income, or just a way to make some free extra cash, I've got you covered. There is gold in this list. I haven't personally tested all of them, but I've used several of the ideas below to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars over the past decade. Seriously. Yes, we live in exciting times. They won't all work for you, but I'm confident something will. And remember, reading is great, but results only come from taking action. Ready? Let's do it. Important note: if you landed on this page from a link referencing 200 plus ideas, I've attempted to narrow down the list to the best, most actionable, most interesting ideas. Number 1. Make extra money sharing your opinion. Online, in-person research studies. There are a couple of online research companies I think everyone should sign up for. Use Interviews is a great resource for connecting with the remote consumer research studies. I have made $40 in about 40 minutes. Here's my full user interview reviews. Number 2, online surveys. No list of money making ideas will be complete without including an old favorite online survey. Power users of these apps earn $30 a month or more. Here are some of Side Hustle Nation's favorite options. Survey Junkie. Earn cards or cash out via PayPal. Inbox dollars. Get a $5 bonus just for signing up. Pincon Research. Earn $3 for each 15 to 20 minute survey. They'll send you $3 check after your first one. Opinion Outpost. Cash out $5 via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Each survey enters you into 10,000 quarterly drawing. Swagbucks. With this mega popular app, you can earn up to $35 a survey and get a $10 bonus just for signing up. YouGov. Long-running survey panel with data often cited in the media. America Consumer Opinion. Join millions of free members and earn up to $50 per survey. Don't expect to earn an amazing hourly rate with these options, but you can earn gift card, cash, and other rewards by answering surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. With several reputable apps and services, save money from what you already doing. Saving money is making money, and it's actually even more effective since it does straight to your bottom line, meaning you don't have to pay taxes on it like you will do with extra income. Here are some of my favorite ways, quick and easy ways to save without drastically changing your lifestyle of spending habits. Number 3, Capital One Shopping, formerly Wikibuy. The free Capital One shopping browser extension is a must for online shoppers. It automatically scores thousands of shopping bargainers, offers, and coupons from retailers while you're shopping online. If there is a better price out there, this free tool can help you find it. Affiliate disclosure. Capital One compensates me when you sign up for Capital One Shopping using their link and that's all. For Capital One, I've earned $6.01 in a cashback in just a couple of months. Plus, I've saved over $100 more using their recommendation and offers. Once you add it, you'll notice it is working automatically whenever you're shopping online. Fetch rewards. I like the Fetch rewards app because it's easy. It's so easy. You earn extra cash back just by snapping a picture of your receipts. You can get redeem points for gift cards to retailers like Best Buy, Sephora, Staples, Gap, and more. And I'll be cashing in from Amazon gift cards. It's also a cool tool to track your spending across time and across different stores. Number 5, Trim your robot negotiator. Trim is a sleek new free tool that helps you identify hidden leaks in your budget and opportunities to get better deals. If you get less than a minute to set up, and aligns your wallet in the 3 different ways. Number 1, getting your cash back when prices drop on stuffs you bought. Negotiating better deals on your cable or internet service. Finding and cancelling subscriptions you don't use. Does it work? 2 days after signing up, I got this message. Congratulations, you just received a one-time credit, $20 on your Comcast bill. Of course, I can't guarantee the same results, but I'll take $20 for doing almost nothing any day of the week. A couple weeks later, Trim came back saying they'd negotiated $347.88 off my Comcast bills offer over the next 12 months. Cha-ching! The money inside my bank account. Number 6, credit card sign-up bonuses. You've got to promise to use these strategies responsibly. But it's made my wife and I thousands of dollars over the past few months. Credit cards like Chase Freedom, a limited card, offer up to 40% cashback, $200 after you spend $500 in your first 3 months with no annual fee. If you are going to spend $500 in the next 3 months, that's free money. This card also gives you one of the highest cashback rates with unlimited 1.5% back on every dollar you spend. Rethink your cell phone services. I recently switched to Mint Mobile for my cell phone services. It runs the T-Mobile network and costs $15 a month when you prepay. I was able to keep my current phone and phone number, making the switch from Verizon saved my wife and I over $800 a year. Get cash back with iBota. The free iBota app pays you cash for taking pictures of your receipts after you buy certain items from more than 80 chains including Walmart, Safeway, Kroger, Publix, Costco, Target. The rebates normally range from $0.25 to $5. The cash will hit your iBota account within 48 hours and you can pull it out with PayPal, Venmo, or exchange for gift cards. On average, iBota savers who use the app every month earn over $130 a year. Rakuten is a long-running site that pays you cashback for doing online shopping through their portal. A recent computer purchase from Dell netted me $160 cashback. They are running a special offer. They'll even give you a free $10 bonus when you create your account. Get paid to lose weight. Before you start your next diet, you might want to check the Healthy Wage. This cool service that lets you put a friendly wager on your weight loss. If you meet your goal, you can cash in on the tune of $500 or more. Here's our full Health Wage review. Save on car insurance. If it's been more than 2 years since you last shopped for car insurance, you are paying too much. Here's the dirty secret of the car insurance industry. Your cars are worth less every year due to depreciation, but you keep paying the same amount. Check out eSurance for a quick and painless quote process and some of the best rates in the business. It will just take a few minutes, and you can even do it on your phone and put $200 or more on your bottom line. That was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. I'll be posting one video each day. Thank you.